Can we help you? My name's Fore-Skin, the rapping elephant. Sometimes you'll see these nuts inside a pelican. They got big beaks. I got a big trunk. So I stuff it in his mouth and I says, "What's up?" I'm a gifted lyricist, but my penis has syphilis. My mom threw me out, 'cause she's a real bitch. So I squatted on the floor and I slapped her tits. That's what's up. That's what's up. Fore-Skin, the rapping elephant. Now give me them ducats. Are you robbing us? That's what's up. Sorry if I'm cantankerous, but I'm trying to get me some acreage. That's what's up. The fuck?